Once upon a time, in the heart of a sprawling forest filled with towering trees and chirping birds, there lived a little snail named Sammy. Sammy wasn't just any ordinary snail. His shell shimmered in the light, painted with colors so vibrant it looked like a rainbow was hugging him tightly. Sammy, being full of curiosity, loved exploring every corner of his leafy green home. One fine morning, while Sammy was making his way across a damp leaf, he stumbled upon a wide, shallow pond. He had seen it before, but today something unusual caught his eye, a glimmer sparkling right from the center of the pond like a diamond winking at him. Filled with intrigue, Sammy gathered his courage and slowly made his way through the soft mud friendly along the water's edge. I must find out what that sparkler is, he thought determinedly. Just as he was about to head into the pond, along came Callie, the caring frog. "Where are you off to, Sammy?" she croaked, noticing the determined glint in his tiny snail eyes. Sammy pointed his feelers towards the sparkling light. "I need to see what's shining in the pond, Callie," he replied. Callie, knowing how to navigate the waters better than anyone, kindly offered her help. "Climb onto my lily pad, young Sammy. We shall see what this mystery is together." Grateful and excited, Sammy squiggled onto the floating leaf. Together they drifted across the pond, the sparkle growing brighter as they got closer. It wasn't long before they reached the gleaming object, a lovely, shiny pebble lying on the pond's soft bed. "It's beautiful," exclaimed Sammy, delighted by the pebble's brilliance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.